you tired of the hassle and inconvenience when trying to move your crypto assets from one blockchain to another? You're not alone. The world of cryptocurrency is booming, but one major obstacle still stands in the way of seamless transactions: interoperability. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of blockchain bridges and how they're changing the game for crypto enthusiasts worldwide. If you want to exchange Ethereum for Bitcoin, the process involves selling Ethereum, purchasing Bitcoin, and navigating fees and price volatility. It's far from user-friendly. Luckily, there is another way: turn to a blockchain bridge, a protocol that allows interactions between different, separate blockchains. The main benefit of these protocols is the fact that they allow for sending crypto assets and data between otherwise disconnected blockchains. This helps not only users but also developers who can collaborate. Additionally, bridges give the opportunity to use the advantages of Layer 2 networks. For instance, some users may find that transactions of Ethereum are slow and expensive, which is why users might want to port their assets to a blockchain that works on top of the native chain. This will allow them to trade tokens without paying high fees while still having exposure to Ethereum. How do blockchain bridges work? When someone bridges their crypto assets, a smart contract is created. It locks the cryptocurrency they are porting and issues the same amount of so-called wrap tokens, and those are suitable for the receiving blockchain. As a rule, the process can be reversed, meaning that the token can be unwrapped if necessary. There are two main ways of categorizing blockchain bridges. Here are their main distinctions: custodial and non-custodial. They can also be called centralized and decentralized, trusted and trustless. The first type essentially means that a user allows some centralized entity to execute the transaction. Since they have to give up control over their assets, thorough research on the operator is necessary. The second type, non-custodial bridges, rely on smart contracts and algorithms. Crypto assets, in this case, are held by the protocol. The difference between these two types of bridges can be explained by an airport analogy. Custodial bridges are like checking into a flight with the help of an airport employee. You trust them to get the information in the system correctly. Non-custodial ones are similar to self-check-in. Users are in charge of their data, which they process with the help of a machine. Unidirectional and bidirectional bridges. The first type implies that the bridge ports crypto to the target blockchain only. The second type supports bridging in both directions. Unfortunately, there is a catch. Using bridges comes with risks. They might be subjected to hacker attacks. There are two reasons for that. First, such platforms are still new and their designs are changing, which is why there are vulnerabilities. Second, these are desirable targets for attacks because they are essentially storages of large volumes of crypto that back the bridge tokens. In February 2022, Wormhole, a platform that bridges several chains, suffered losses because of an exploit, an error that allows stealing from the system. The hacker minted wrapped Ethereum, which looked like regular WITH, to the platform but was not backed up with ETH. Then, the attacker bridged it into the Ethereum chain. Wormhole losses were estimated at roughly $320 million. What is more, in theory, custodial bridges can steal users' crypto, which is why it's often recommended to only use ones with a good reputation. To sum it all up, interoperability is not just a buzzword, it's the lifeblood of innovation in the crypto world. As blockchain technologies continue to revolutionize how people and businesses operate, the need for seamless integration and collaboration is more pressing than ever. Hopefully, in the near future, the risks associated with blockchain bridges will be eliminated and they will be used to their full potential. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. See you in the next videos.